Anyone who got this type of shoes and have some problems, it makes annoying noise when you walk. The problem is not here inside the insole or the pillars. I have tried to find out where is the problem, and here the solution I found. The problem is here, down here, inside this, above this one. The top touch the bottom, so it makes that sounds or that noise. I have tried to put the oil or that thing WD-40, but it didn't work. And I tried to use some powder here inside into the same thing. After I removed this, I have removed this, but the noise was still there. In here, the solution. The problem is this one. It's inside here. The bottom touch the top. So when it touch in the top, it make that noise. The solution, I get this one. I got this thing. This thing, it's not a paper. It's something like paper. Okay. So I got it like this. One moment, please. I made it like this. Then it's already inside the shoes, as you can see. I pushed it from here inside like this. I used this thing and I pushed it harder until it got inside completely. Now I will not push this inside because I already have one inside. When you push it inside completely, then you have to push it from here, from the back. Use anything. I have used this scissor and I pushed it until the inside, until this one. It's right here. It doesn't appear, but it's here. It's down here. It's very tight right here. Just push it from the back. From here, push it until it goes at the very tight spot. It's in there in the bottom. Push it hard until it got stuck there. And after that, you will not get any noise. As you can see, it's here. I don't have any paper. It's empty. Also, this one is empty. But the paper, it's behind this. It's this in this area. You can use a paper or towel or anything you have. Just push it there inside and it will not make any noise. This one is not making any noise. I have used paper on both shoes and I have used this one. This is not paper, but it's baby towel or something. Anyways, this thing, it's very tough, you know. It doesn't cut. So use anything you have, plastic or paper. Push it inside here to the place where is it very tight and the problem will be fixed. For this channel, it's not about this type of content. I usually make video editing content, not this type. However, I just wanna help someone who have the same shoes and face this problem. It makes the noise and it's very annoying while walking. It's like a clown or something. Anyways, now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. This is the solution. Put a paper or anything in the bottom. Push it from here in the back, tight, very tight. Keep pushing until the paper or something that you have used got stuck in there, and then your shoes will not make any noise. And that's it. Thank you.